Hey y'all, so today I'm going to be sharing with you how I make this coffee sugar scrub for your face or body. First thing you're going to need is a little jar. I got mine from Hobby Lobby for $2.99. First ingredient we're going to be using is brown sugar. Then I'm going to be putting in finely ground coffee. I want to emphasize fine. Next thing we're going to be adding is olive oil. I chose olive oil over coconut oil because coconut oil actually clogs your pores. And last but not least, yes, the secret to all of my baking goods, just added this for a little extra fragrance. Carefully adding in the mixture to my jar and making a mess along the way. The coffee with the caffeine is great for waking up your skin and getting rid of those fine lines and cellulite. So it's great to use on your face, your body, wherever you need to wake up the most. And there you have it. So if you guys like videos like this, be sure to hit that follow button, save this for later, and comment down below if you decide to try it out.